Today, the Supreme Court heard arguments in petition challenging the Election Commission's special intensive revision of Bihar's electoral rolls ahead of the assembly elections. Senior advocates Kapil Sibal and Gopal Sankaranarayanan, representing the petitioners, highlighted concerns over the deletion of approximately 65 lakh names from the draft voter list. They pointed out errors, including cases where individuals marked as deceased were found to be alive. Senior advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, appearing for the Election Commission, said the draft list is prone to minor errors which can be corrected by booth-level officers, and urged the court not to treat isolated mistakes as ground for repeated petitions. The court asked the petitioners to provide names of genuinely aggrieved voters so it can hold the Election Commission accountable. Justice Suryakant noted that errors in draft rolls are to be expected and should be addressed by affected individuals. Mr. Sibal raised concerns about documentation requirements, mentioning that Aadhaar cards are often not accepted and many residents in Bihar lack alternative documents. The court responded that the documents are intended to establish residence and that this is not unique to Bihar. Petitioners questioned why the special intensive revision was conducted so soon after a previous revision and worried that the short timeline could leave voters little chance to correct exclusions before elections. The Election Commission assured that deletions would only be made after prior notice and opportunity for voters to respond in line with principles of natural justice. Senior advocate A.M. Singhvi argued that citizenship verification is not within the Commission's remit and shifting the burden onto voters risks wrongful exclusions. Political analyst Yogendra Yadav pointed out that despite Bihar's large adult population, no additions were made to the rolls, suggesting possible disenfranchisement. The Supreme Court is currently reviewing these arguments as it considers the legality and fairness of the special intensive revision process in Bihar.